Okay guys, I have a little confession to make to you. When I see long division things like this, I actually get a little bit scared. It wasn't until I learned about a different method to do long division, called the box method, that I became happy. Let me show you how it's happening. You start off by drawing a box, and inside the box, you write the number you need to divide. You then, on the outside of the box, write the number you're dividing by. And you split up your numbers in your box by drawing vertical lines between them, like I've done here. Next, you see how many times the first number will allow you to divide your divisor into it. Well, I can't get any 7s into 2, so I'm going to write a 0. Now I do a little bit of multiplication. Here we go. 0 multiplied by 7 is 0. And I subtract that 0 from 2, and I get 2. I'm actually going to drag that 2 all the way up to here, so my 2 is now here, and I've got 21. And now I do my next sum. 21 divided by 7 is 3. I take the same thing I did before. I do 3 times 7 is 21. I subtract 21 from 21, and I get 0. So that's the number I'll take up to the next column. There's a 0 in front of it now. Next, I do how many times 7 will fit into 8. Well, that's 1 time. And I do the next step, which is 1 times 7, and that gives me 7. And I subtract 7 from 8, and I get 1. So I take that number, and I stick it up here. So I've got 14. Now I've got to do how many times does 7 fit into 14? Well, that fits in twice. And that's the answer to my sum. I've got 312 is the answer to my initial equation of 2,184 divided by 7. Now I smile.